Hi, how's it going? My name is Gabriel Hutchinson from Starvision Campers. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Starvision PX2 radio head unit. We're going to give you an overview of the unit, as well as showing you how to dial in the radio, set up your Bluetooth, and adjust the speaker settings. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, to turn on the power to the head unit, you simply come to the main power, switch that on to the right there, and then come to the switch that says stereo, and switch that on. And once back at the head unit, all you need to do is press the volume button and the unit will turn on. Now that we're in the main menu of the head unit, you can see here we've got the time, date, and a selection of inputs that we can use. You can see here that the unit is touchscreen, so whenever I press on anything, it's a really easy way to get around. In addition to that, we've got some controls down the left here and some controls down the right. Some things to take note of here. On the left, we have a micro SD card input, USB input, and volume knob. On the right here, we have another micro SD input. This one's specifically to load any maps or GPS that you want. And down the bottom here, we have an auxiliary input as well. Up the top, we also have a CD and DVD player, so you can play any CDs or DVDs in there as well. With the SD card, USB and auxiliary inputs, you can also play music and media through those as well. To adjust the radio settings, you've got multiple ways to dial in the station that you want. You can use the touch screen to step through. You can press and hold the touch screen to auto select. Or you can use these buttons on the right hand side, press and hold to auto select, or tap these buttons to cycle through the presets down the bottom. To save a preset, you just need to select the station that you want, press and hold on the preset icon, and you'll see here that will now coincide with that. As well as those inputs, the head unit also uses Bluetooth. To connect your phone to the unit, you just need to go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone, and you'll see here that you need to look for the name Car BT. So find that on your phone, simply click on it, and you will be connected. From there, you should be able to play any media you want from your Bluetooth device, and you'll see that right here, we know that's happening because the sound's coming out and also the little Bluetooth icon is jumping up and down. You can also make calls through this unit. And when using the USB or SD card inputs, it's a matter of inserting the media that you want, clicking on those icons and choosing your media from those hard drives. Now moving on to some speaker settings. If you go up to the settings here, press on the speaker icon, you can see here we have EQ settings and speaker balance settings. If you adjust the balance to the front, it will then move the sound purely inside the camper, and if you move the balance to the back, the sound will then move purely to the speakers in the kitchen. And obviously returning it to the middle will play the music out both of the speakers. You can also move here to the EQ and adjust any treble or bass as you want. So that is the overview of the Starvision PX2 radio head unit. If you've got any other questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them for you.